Hello everyone, in this presentation, I'll be demonstrating how 3D transformation works using BPython. We'll take three basic objects, a red, blue, and green sphere, and apply different transformation to each one. This includes translation, rotation, and scaling. I will also explain the mathematical concept behind these transformations and show the final transform scene. These are our original object. The red sphere starts at x equals to -2, the blue sphere at the origin, and the green sphere at x equals at +2. At this stage, none of the objects have been transformed yet. Think of them as our baseline. Shape just simple sphere placed along the x-axis. Each of these objects will showcase a specific transformation. Translation for the red sphere, rotation for the blue sphere, and scaling for the green sphere. First, let's look at the translation transformation applied to the red sphere. Translation is the simplest form of transformation. It moves an object in a straight line by adding a constant vector. In mathematics, we express this as p prime equals p plus t, where p is the original point and t is the translation vector. In this code, I modify the x position of the red sphere based on the value of variable angle. As angle increases, the formula updates the x coordinate, making the red sphere slide smoothly along the x-axis. This is an example of dynamic translation, a translation that changes over time. Next, we have the rotation transformation on the blue sphere. Rotation changes the orientation of an object around a specific axis. In this case, the sphere rotates around the z-axis, which is represented by the vector 0, 0, 1. Mathematically, rotation is performed using a rotation matrix. For rotation around the z-axis, the rotation matrix is when we apply this matrix to any point x, y, z, it rotates the point around the z-axis by an angle 0. BPython handles this matrix multiplication internally through the rotate function. The white arrow attached to the blue sphere helps us visualize the orientation change as it spins. So the next is the green sphere. Demonstrates scaling. Scaling changes the size of an object. In uniform scaling, the object grows, shrinks equally in all directions. The scaling matrix looks like this. Here is the scaling factor. In my script, instead of scaling the whole object via matrix multiplication, I animate the size of the sphere by modifying the radius property. As angle changes, the radius oscillates between larger and smaller values. The mimics the effect of uniform scaling in 3 dimensions. The red sphere translates along the x-axis, the blue sphere rotates around the z-axis, and the green sphere changes its scale continuously. The orbiting camera allows us to view the entire setup from different angles. This demonstrates how translation, rotation, and scaling can be combined to create dynamic 3D motion. To summarize, translation adds a vector. Rotation uses matrix multiplication. Scaling multiplies coordinates by scaling matrix. Camera movement enhances the 3D visualization. This transformation concepts form of the backbone of computer graphics, animation, robotics, and game development. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helped you understand how transformation works in BPython. Thank you.